Hey guys, it's Angela here and welcome to day 34 of 100 Days of Code. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of review and we're going to be working with a trivia API to create a quiz app called Quizlet. Now we're going to be using an API that we've seen before a long time ago called the Open Trivia Database, which contains over 3,000 verified questions, which we can pick from randomly to fill into our quiz application. Now, the purpose of building this app is to review what we learned about using API endpoints and sending requests to a particular endpoint to ask for some piece of data. And we're also going to be looking at what we learned about API parameters, switching in and switching out different inputs in order to get different pieces of data from the API. And with those things combined, we're going to be able to build our Quizlet app, which is going to be built using Tkinter. So this is what it's going to look like, and we're able to keep track of our score and see the true-false question show up in the middle, and then we can select true or false. So I have no idea what the answer to this is, so I'm just going to guess. Oops, maybe not. The vapor produced by e-cigarettes is actually water. I think so. Nope. I am really bad at this quiz, so I'm just going to guess from now on. So there you go. I got one right and my score went up. This is a computer-related question, so I know that one. But essentially, this is what we're going to be building. And the questions that we're answering here come from the Open Trivia Database, which contains loads of questions. So we don't have to make up the questions, and we can even select which category of questions we want and also how many questions we want. And we're going to use this API to populate the questions in our quiz application. That's what we're going to be building. So if you head over to the next lesson, we'll get started by tapping into that API.